How to convert VCF to CSV using Softaken software, step-by-step guide. Using Softaken VCF to CSV converter software, you can effortlessly convert individual or multiple VCF files into the CSV file format. First, open the software and select the desired option to choose the VCF folder or files. The software will display a preview of all VCF contacts, which can be viewed in both horizontal and vertical formats. Next, click on the Export button to proceed with exporting the vcard contacts into CSV format. Using the Browse button, select the desired location where you want to save your CSV file. You can uncheck this option if you do not wish to remove empty columns during the export process. Finally, click on the Convert Now button to begin the conversion process.